Sanhuei Uniair SH3500 Folding N95 Style Particulate Respirator. CDC NIOSH approval, it is reliable to wear to get protection from virus. Reliable electrostatic filter, better process flow, make masks better. It comes in separate packages, it's always new each time. Fetch one, protect from pollution. Can see clean brand and text, layers are a bit thicker. The face mask is lightweight, easy to carry and go. The face of the mask looks with fine stitching process. The edges are neat with 3D cutting, the seam of the edges is consistent. Sturdy metal strip on the bridge of the nose is hidden to protect skin. And foam and inner on the back are soft and comfortable to touch. 3D cutting shape generates a larger interior space. Specialer design of mask can prevent leakage of mask when stretched. The headbands of the mask are easy to adjust, wide and firm, can be pulled very long. There is an adjustable regulator to make the handbands suitable. Cut the mask, we can see 3 layers. The face layer can protect from dust and water drops, also keep the structure from deformation. The filter layer is the most important layer, melt-blown fabric filters micro 0.3 particulate matter. Can see the handwriting on it is darker because it traps carbon particles. The skin-friendly inner touch your skin, prevent from water vapor. Using the high temperature gun, can see hot melt reaction on melt-blown fabric. It helps getting good coverage and filtration effects. Easy carry and easy wearing, also economic choice for good protection. Sanhuei committed to providing standardized and quality N95 masks. N95 InStock has a good licensing relationship with Sanhuei. Choose the best products for you. Guarantee they are genuine with primary source and fresh date. And also can do large quantities wholesale, OEM logo printing and personal